Hi. So the warm-up bot is ready. So at first you need to put your username and password in the account. So I'm not opening the file because my account details are there. And there is 4 columns. The first one is for username. The second one is for password. And there is 2 other columns. One is for user agents and the other is for proxies. So the proxy and the user agent is optional. So if you want to use the proxy or user agent, you can use that. And if you don't want to use that, then you can just keep those thing blank. But I always recommend to use at least the user agents because with the user agents, Instagram will think that those accounts are being used in different devices. And if you use proxies, then it will be also the different IPs. And one more thing that in this bot, you can't use username with passwords. So you need to do one thing that if you buy proxies from any provider, then I hope you will get an option there that is called IP authentication. So use that method to authenticate your IP so that it doesn't require your username and password to log into the proxies. And now if you just run the bot, one more thing that I have put it here, it's run anyway. So as you can see, there is a file called agents.txt. So there you will get lots of user agents. So you can assign user agents to the accounts, and I will recommend to use a specific username for each account, and don't repeat the user agents. So there is I guess about 4,500 user agents, so it is more than enough for you, I hope. And now where's the bot? Yes. So when you run the bot, I will get this option that enable error logging or not. So this is a developer option. So if you want to use it, you can use. So what it does is whenever it does something and faces any issues, it just prints that. But it will mess up your terminal with many unnecessary things. So I recommend you to use here too. And so the yes option will be useful when you face an issue and I ask for the logging. So just you select yes and run the bot, and if you see the error, you can just send me the screenshot and I will be able to tell you what's the issue. But for the general purpose, number 2 is recommended. And in this option, it's asking that do you want to run Chrome in the foreground or the background. So I also recommend you to use it in the background if you want to keep using your PC, or if you want to deploy this bot in VPS. But if you want to use this on your personal PC and you will just keep it running and you don't want to do anything else on your PC, then I recommend you to use the foreground. So to show you now, I am using the foreground method. So it will actually run the Chrome in front of us, but if we use the background method, it will run it in the background. One more thing, as you can see here, that this account is being logged in by the username and the password, but in the future it will use the saved cookies, okay, to avoid the repeat logging, and it will use the same cookies for a long time so that it just seems so normal. And this process is quite long. So at first it will scroll around in the home page for some time, then there is the random steps. So either it can go to the messages or the reels or the explore tab, or click on notification. So it will do those things randomly and as you can see, it is scrolling back and forth sometime to simulate a more a human type interaction. So it will not only scroll down, it will scroll up also, and sometime it will like some of the post. And the post ratio is not that much. You can see it has liked on post now. The post ratio is quite low to secure your account. Okay, so it will take actually a long time to go through all the steps, but I have tested those, and it is working fine on my side. I hope it will work on yours also. And if you find any issue, just let me know. I will get back to you as soon as possible. And let me just show you the logging method. So as you can see, we have logged in previously, and here is our session is stored, and all the session will be stored by its own username. So if we run the bot again now, it will at first search for the session, that if the session is available there. So let's just run the bot in the background this time, and as you can see, it's saying the current account and the row number, and then it says that old cookies has found. Then it's trying to log in with the old cookies. As you can see that it has logged with the old cookies. Now it's scrolling the home page, and it has liked on post already, and it will keep scrolling the page, and sometime it will like some post, and sometime it won't, and then it will go through the other tabs also, like it will check some DMs, and it will also check the notification, and it will go to the explore tab, go to the reels tab, and scroll through the reels tab, and what is called the browsing tab. So it will do the actions quite randomly. uh, so you can test it out, and let me know if you need any assistance. I will try my best to help you out. Thank you.